my day. I was a fool to make sure I can go away. No lonely is the price that I got to pay. I guess I gotta be the player everybody want me to be. That's who want me to be.
Um, well, hi.
Okay,
I was talking to a friend.
talk to me.
Okay, sorry, I'm talking to you.
So in the quest of life, we often forget to take care of our minds. So today, we're giving you 8 tips for a healthy state of mind.
Okay.
And I'm gonna need these 8 tips
Yeah.
after dealing with this lady.
When I ask him, I'm dealing with me a week time, he does well. He manages.
For the most part. For the most part.
All right, the first one we have says, find your inner bliss. Maya Angelou said, we need joy as we need air. If you are a person who is innately depressive, who is innately down, or if you're a person who is affected like by the weather, like me, who when it's overcast or it's raining, you just get.
So you get when it rains?
Yeah,
I get a whole different feeling when it rains.
It's one of two things for me when it rains. So if you can do one, the other I'll just kind of
Okay.
yeah. So, you need to reflect on what makes you happy. She says, what propels you. Maybe it's travel, family, a hobby, whatever it is. Following your inner compass is the first step to a strong mental outlook. What makes you happy?
You know, at times
Answer your question. What makes you happy?
food.
He's
Food
gonna
and
be
family.
so fat because.
And I won't get fat, I promise.
Sure?
Yeah. Food and family makes me happy. Seeing my friends achieve their goals is
So
one
suppose
thing.
them not achieve them goals right now.
It upsets me.
Oh,
if I
dear.
know they have potential to do better,
Yeah.
it really upsets me when they don't. But I love when my friends, strive and move forward. Another thing that makes me happy is, when it rains, I get to enjoy the.
The weather? Okay. The next one is a really good one. You do that one.
Yeah, it says, recognize what you can't change and the things you don't have control of. This is a big one.
Isn't that a desiderata that says that? Or is it the prayer? Lord, help me to accept the things that I cannot change. Change the things that I can, and the wisdom to know the difference.
Yeah, and accept what I can't change. Something
That was say.
Yeah. So yeah, and that's one thing though. I tell the young men that I mentor all the time that life is going to happen. And it's going to happen in a way that it seems, because life is unfair. It's going to happen in a way that it's just going to be like, why me? And I always tell them this, why not you?
Yeah, deal with it.
Yeah.
Whatever
Why
it
not
is,
you?
deal with it. Next up, change it up sometimes. Can't have the same day every single day.
Yeah.
You can't. I know you
Yep.
have a routine because I work with routine, but you cannot have the same day every single day or you will go nuts.
Come on, the routine thing will drive you insane.
Yeah, fling in something new.
Because I remember when I was in college and I had the same routine for like 4 months and trust
You
me.
lost it, didn't you?
I lost
Everybody
it.
know that's why you're
Literally
crazy.
lost
We know. Next one, make time to laugh. Oh, and it says by interacting with friends.
Excuse me?
That's you.
What crazy?
We know you're crazy. Watching comedies, come to the show.
Yeah.
Ha ha ha. Or funny videos online. Laughter can help lessen anxiety. It doesn't, it's not can, it will.
Yeah.
It definitely will.
Laughter relaxes the body.
Yeah. Try it.
But yeah, if you have time and be around people who make you happy. Be around people who build you up, but not tear you down.
Okay, what's the next one?
The next one is try to keep an open mind and don't let obstacles get you down. And this is something big for our young people.
Yeah.
Sometimes when we meet up on our first obstacle, it's like,
Yeah.
So learn to accept that there will always be changes and things won't always go your way. Accept this, be ready to move on. Turn your obstacles into motivational factors. Major key.
I saw one of our producers this morning post something, Lori. She said there was this dude, don't even remember his name, who went out for a job in 2009 from Facebook. And they said no, they didn't give him the job. And now in 2014, they paid him for WhatsApp.
Yep.
Millions of dollars. Turn your disappointment into your
Yeah, man, everybody has a story of disappointment.
True. Yeah, man. We have one more?
Last one,
Manage
yes.
your worry and other things. Psychologically, it's easier to shove the bad feelings down a dark hole and then you just kind of blow up because you can't take it anymore.
And you know that's bad. You know, my mother always tell me, and she always says this: if you feel like crying,
Just cry.
bad.
And you know
And it's
extra
enough-
good for the
yeah, man.
balling.
Stop, no? Well,
So-
enough time I call my mother, you know. I
And
say,
just
Mommy,
bawl?
me stressed out. She say, "What? Let me just stop."
Aww.
Yeah, because she gives me that comfort place. So when I do that, the release, and then I can move forward in my life.
Me have so much eye water that a lot of it come out on stage, and that's how I get rid of a lot of my stress too. So you know, find the thing that works for you and how you get rid of the stress. If it's crying, cry. If it's screaming, scream. If you need to just go in one corner, go lock away, do your thing. But guess what? Life too short to mad yourself.
Yeah, so my main tip that I'll take from this is make time to laugh.
Amen.
Make time to laugh.
Guys, it's
Especially,
awesome.
especially today, on Saturday, find yourself on the play.
Or you can listen to some good music from Special Now. We're going over.